Now the pips are just the other figure that you can see here. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can measure pips on MetaTrader 5 app. So after opening the chart, let's say that you want to measure pips on this currency or this foreign exchange. So what you need to do, we have this cross there, just tap on it, and then we have a cross that has appeared here. If you can see it, I'll move it so that we can see it clearly. So this is the cross, and then I'll try to zoom. Let me first remove it, then we can zoom the market first. So this is the cross, here you can see it, and then I want to measure the pips. What you need to do is add another cross using a finger. So you just hold here using one finger and then hold somewhere here using another finger. Make sure that you are holding before adding another finger. So make sure you are holding using two fingers at the same time so that another arrow appears. So I'll do that. I will hold and then add another finger here. So you can see we have another cross that has just appeared. Now here you can just move this arrow, you just hold it and then you can move it the way you want. Now this finger shows the difference between the candle difference from that arrow to another arrow. So you can see here we have 16 candlesticks. So you can just do the math and get the time frame that is in between that. So to get the time, you just use the 15 minute multiplied by the 16. So you'll get the time between those candlesticks. Also, you can just move here and you can see we have a difference of five candles. Now the pips are just the other figure that you can see here, this difference. So this is the pips that you can see there. So from here to here is the pip difference. So, and the pip difference starts from the fourth number. So here we can say that we have at least how many pips here. So 1 pip is equals to 0.0001. It has 3 zeros. So here we have how many pips? We have 11 pips. And if you move this crosshair, you can see it is changing. So you can use that information to know how many pips are there using the last number there. If you don't have a broker or a brokerage account, use the ones that I have recommended in the description below. So thanks for watching, subscribe and like this video.